How to find text with a specific length in Excel. Here we have an employee list. Every product code should contain exactly 10 characters. However, after importing data from different systems, some codes are shorter than 10 characters, longer than 10 characters, exactly 10 characters. Our goal is to quickly find the incorrect ones. Method 1. Use Excel's len formula. Excel doesn't provide a built-in find option for text length, but you can use the len function. Insert a new helper column. In the first row, enter the len function. B2 is the first cell from which you want to count the characters. Press Enter. Then copy the formula down. Excel now displays the length of every product code. Next, apply a filter to the helper column. Go to Data. Select Filter. Select the filter icon. Uncheck the 10 option. Click OK. All incorrect IDs have been listed. Method 2. Use Superfind in Kutools for Excel. Kutools for Excel includes Superfind, which can search text based on its length without adding helper columns or formulas. Select the list. Go to Kutools. Select Find, Superfind. In the Within list, select Selection. Click Find in Text String. In the Type section, select Text. Then select Text Length is not. Enter 10 into the Value text box. Click Find. Superfind displays every matching cell in a results list. Simply click any result, and Excel jumps directly to that cell. If you want to select all results, click the Select button. All incorrect IDs have been selected.